detailing how Texas treats cancer. It just came out.
One of the main areas of focus is tobacco use, since that is the leading cause of cancer death in our state. Kate Whitehall is live from the state capitol with the details, and this report is timed, Kate, so that lawmakers can see it before the session begins, right?
That's exactly right, because they are certainly the ones holding the purse strings. And a nonprofit affiliate with the American Cancer Society looked at all 50 states and how they treat and prevent different types of cancer. And Texas did well when it came to funding research. That's because we have the Cancer Prevention and Research Institute right here in Austin, and they're funded with about $3 billion in state funding. But the report also found when it comes to tobacco laws, here's where state lawmakers fall short. A lack of cigarette tax increases, not making 100% smoke-free laws, Medicaid not covering tobacco treatment programs, and the lack of state funding for tobacco prevention programs. Texas actually ranks 38 out of 50 in funding. So the study did find Texas did a good job of preventing minors from using tanning beds and covering preventative screenings for cervical and breast cancers. But the majority of this annual report focuses on tobacco use. That's because lung cancer is the most common form of cancer and the #1 cause of death in Texas. But it's also the most preventable.
There are more people who die because of tobacco than alcohol, AIDS, car crashes, murders, suicides. All of that combined, more people die from tobacco.
So the hope with this report is so lawmakers can see it before the session begins early next year and possibly start considering funding some of these additional programs. Now, for those who may not use tobacco, there are some other areas they look at concerning cancer, and that deals with lack of physical activity and poor nutrition. The report found that 1/4 to 1/3 of all cancers are due to that. And so the report recommends that lawmakers try to increase the amount of physical activity required for school-age kids, because right now Texas only requires that they get less than 90 minutes per week. We're live at the state capitol. Kate Whitehall, KXAN News.